Hey everybody, it's David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I've got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. 1 minute, 2 minutes, let's go. Today's tip is about seizing control. Today, I want you to put 100% of your attention only on the things that you can control. Focus on what you have immediate control over and on what you can do, not what you can't. This would include, but is not limited to, your personal development, your healthy diet and exercise, managing your mindset, your attitude, responding, not reacting. The bottom line here is you're either getting better at being your divine self today, or you're getting worse. Sorry, there's no middle ground here. And if you are not in control of these things, then allow me to ask you, who is? And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, visit cardonesolutions.com/coaching, cardonesolutions.com/coaching, or hey, just shoot me an email, david@grantcardone.com, or call me 310-777-0352. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching, and be great, because nothing else pays. See you soon.